Hey everyone, hey, my name is Jordan. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, or stumbling upon it, whichever one. But so I would like to officially, personally welcome you from my heart. I totally was gonna go on this side, from my heart to yours, to welcome you to Dialysis Diaries. Man, this is so awesome. They don't even know I'm not wearing pants.